Hi, so this is a quick tutorial on how to make word sorts using Google Slides and um, basically any word sorts that you have scanned in. So you will only need two tabs open. So I have the example word slides, example word sort Google Slide open. If you don't know how to get to Google Slides, just let one of us know. And then we will give you access to a Words Your Way folder. These are all the word sorts in English based on spelling stage, and they're the ones that we more commonly use. So you just need those two tabs open. So once you get to the Google Slides, you're going to want to make sure that your slide is blank. So I've already changed mine to blank, but you could go to Slide, Apply Layout, and make sure they're blank slides. Then you're going to go to your list and I'm going to find one that has words just like these, so these short A words. And right from your screen, you're going to be able to, I like to always screenshot my images just because they're easy to find. So if you're on a Dell or PC, you can use the snipping tool. If you're on a Mac, you will use Command-Shift-4. So currently I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to go Command-Shift-4 and just screenshot. Oopsie, it's a little finicky, but let's try it again. You're going to screenshot that word. So I'm just going to screenshot these four. And if it's easier to just download as a PDF and then snip it from the PDF, that's fine. Whatever is easiest for you. Okay, great. So I have my four images and I know that they're at my desktop, so just make sure you know where your images are going to. If they don't show up on your desktop, they might show up on your downloads, but just double check that. So I'm going to go back to my slides, and then I'm going to go to Insert, Image. I'm going to upload from my computer because I know they're on my desktop. This was a oopsie. So then I have these four screenshots of words. So I'm going to select them all, open, and they're here. From here, I can make sure, so there's different options based on your preference. You can select this image and create a border around it. So that's selecting this border tool here. I like 3, I think it's pixels, just because you can kind of see that it's outlined. And this will let the students know that they can move these around. So I'm going to put borders on all of those. And that's it. So this is a shorter version. This is a quicker way of how to just get words and images right on the Google slide. And then I can always create some sort of template or table, some sort of line where I can create a T-chart, and I can create a different video for that too. And then once you have, if you want to leave it as an open sort, that's great. If you want to do a closed sort and actually have the T-chart here or the rows and columns, then that'll be a different video. But then from here, once you select, I think the most that can fit here is probably around no more than 10, just because it can get crowded with the slide. There are ways to make the slide bigger. So if you go to page setup, you can customize it and make it like a wider screen. But again, realizing that our students will most likely have Chromebooks, we don't want it to be super wide. And then once you have all that done, you can have that ready for your own teaching, or you can actually share this with students and just assign them a slide number. So after you create this once, so let's say I'm done, I'm going to right click on this master slide and hit duplicate slide. And then I'm just going to hit the redo button. And if I have 4 students, now they each have their own slide. Just make sure that you're always making a copy of one and saving in your own files in case the students delete or anything like that. And then you just assign a student a slide and they can manipulate, and you can watch them manipulate at the same time. The next video will really focus on how to embed the T-chart in there if you'd like, and then also giving you it'll also give you a different way of how to insert the words if you can't seem to insert the images. So see you in the next video.